In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll know the simplest and cleanest way to close the platform, what the exit prompt means, and how to avoid losing changes you didn't mean to discard. In NinjaTrader 8, the control center is the main window for the platform. Think of it as the command hub that manages your workspaces, connections, and any additional windows you've opened. You might have multiple charts, superdoms, or other panels scattered across your screens, but those are all subordinate to the control center. Closing an individual chart or tool does not shut down NinjaTrader. The control center is what actually controls the full exit. To close NinjaTrader, bring the control center to the front and click the X, the standard close button, in the top right corner of that window. Make sure you're clicking the X on the control center itself, not on a chart or another window. If you have a lot of windows open or use multiple monitors, you may need to look for the control center on your taskbar and select it so you can see its title bar and the close button clearly. When you click the X, NinjaTrader will display a confirmation prompt. This message explains that any changes made to a default workspace will be lost if you continue without saving. A workspace is simply your layout, your open windows, their positions, and certain settings tied to that layout. If you've moved charts around, added indicators, or rearranged panels during your session, those adjustments count as changes. If you are ready to exit and you're comfortable discarding those unsaved changes in the default workspace, choose Yes to continue. If you're not ready to lose those adjustments, select No to cancel the exit and return to the platform so you can review your layout first. Once you confirm by selecting Yes, NinjaTrader will shut down. The platform will close all its windows and disconnect any active data connections. Strategies and automated processes that are running within NinjaTrader will stop as part of this shutdown, and the application will exit completely. That's all there is to it. Remember, the key is to close the control center using the X in the top right, and then decide at the prompt whether you want to proceed without saving your default workspace changes. Follow that sequence, and you'll exit NinjaTrader cleanly and confidently every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.